Good morning everyone. Today I am going to take the topic of maths in our daily life or real life, and topic is percentage. Find the 50% of 30 children. So 50% means half of 30, it will be directly 15 only, but if you want to find it out in the terms of percentage, then we will solve it like 50% of 30, or it can be written as 50 by 100 into 30. We will change percentage, we will divide it by 100, and of means multiply. Now we will do the cancellations. 0 and 0 will cancel out, this 0 will cancel out with this 0, and we will multiply numerator with numerator. 5 3s are 15, so 15 children is 50% of 30. Next is express 75% as lowest form. So how we will show it as lowest form? 75%, it can be written as 75 by 100. Now you have to simply do the cancellations. It will be cancelled out on the table of 5. 5 15s are 75, 5 20s are 100. Afterwards you can again cancel it out on the table of 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So it can be written as 3 by 4. Next is 33 and 1 by 3% of 90. So we have to find it out. 33 1 by 3% of 90. So first of all we will change the percent. It will, first of all we will change this number into improper fraction. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, so 99. 33 3s are 99 plus 1, that will be 100 by 3%. So we will change the percent also, so it will be divided by 100. So we will write here 300. Of means multiply, and here it will be 90. So now we will do the cancellation. 0 will cancel out with 0, this 0 will cancel out with this 0. Now cancel 3 with 90. 3 1s are 3 and 3 30s are 90. So the answer will come out to be 30 here. Next is 20% of 650 kilometers. So 20%. 20% means 20 by 100. Of means multiply 650 kilometers. So I will write the units at last. First of all I will do the cancellation. 0 will cancel out with this 0. This 0 will cancel out with this 0. In numerator and denominator only the zeros will cancel out. Now you will multiply numerator with numerator. 65 2s are 130. So this will be your answer. Next is, what is 36% of 45? So 36% means 36 by 100. Of means multiply n to 45. Now we will do the cancellations. It can be cancelled out on the table of 5. 5 9s are 45, 5 20s are 100, and afterwards you can do the cancellations on the table of 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36. Now we will multiply numerator with numerator. 9 9s are 81 divided by 5. So it will be 81 by 5. We can change it into mixed fraction as dividing by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30, and 1 will be remainder. So it comes out to be 16 and a 1 by 5. So next question is, what percent is 51 of 85? Let us take x percent of 85 is equal to 51. So x percent can be written as x by 100. Of means 85 is equal to 51. Now we will do the cross multiplication. X will come out to be 51 into 100 by 85. Now we will do the cancellation. 17 3s are 51, 17 5s are 85. Now we will do the cancellations of 100 and 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. Now we will multiply numerator with numerator. 23s are 60. So this is 60%. Next question is, Winnie earns rupees 15,000 every month and spends rupees 8,900. What percent of her income she saves? So first of all, she earns. We know what amount she earns, that is rupees 15,000, and she spends, how much she spends? 8,900. So after spending, what does she save? So she saves, after doing subtraction, we will get it, that comes out to be 6,100. So afterwards you have to find out what percent of her income she saves. So what is the percent? So again, let X percent of her income, that is 15,000 she saves, and that is come out to be 6,100. So let us change it into X by 100. Of means multiply into 15,000 is equal to 6,100. Now we will do the cross multiplication. The number which is multiplied here, that will go there in division, and the number which is division here, that will go there in multiplication. So here it will be 6,100 into 100 divided by 15,000. Now we will do the cancellation of zeros first. 2, 3. Now we will divide 610 by 15. So on the table of 5 it can be cancelled out. 5 3s are 15 and 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. So it comes out to be 122 by 3%. You can change it into the mixed fraction also. 42 by 3%. I hope this is clear to everyone. Thank you so much.